dynamite before?
Who?
Up here.
What? Right there?
Yeah, before.
They blow something up?
Yeah. They're trying to get into something. They're going into the rock or something.
They're blowing up with dynamite.
They're going to blow the whole fucking town up if we don't have it out. These guys are getting bad. Yeah, you got a cigarette, do you?
No, I quit.
I got a cigar. You want a
years ago.
cigar?
Cigar?
Yeah.
What is it like?
Show you.
Oh, you're kidding. Are they good?
Oh, it's good.
It's decent.
I should have one. Yeah.
There you go, Larry.
Hey, that's good.
Yeah?
Take that. Take that.
I'll keep that for the... I think that guy had bad luck and left the gasoline station with his uncle. I heard it, but I don't know if it's true.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on over there. I don't trust that fucking guy.
Tell him to go to hell. I think he's all worked up because he has to do that fucking job.
Mm.
That's a hard job to ask for.
Yeah, it is.
He's crazy taking it. I wouldn't take it. I said, get the hell out of here.
Yep.
I'm not crazy yet. If I was crazy, I'll let you know.
Yeah, give us the memo.
I'm supposed to get a job in the Robert Street. That fucking them fucking pricks are all washed up already.
Yep.
It's out of business. No more. How the hell is that's bad?
Nice umbrella.
Hey, did you know that a guy who worked in there, Roy Stage? You know him, used to be the operator. He used to operate the place.
You might know him.
Roy.
Wow.
You don't know Roy? He died, Roy.
Rocky, though.
Yeah, he died. He had a cancer, Rocky did.
Yeah.
Isn't that? Yeah. Cheehaw and all them guys. All them guys are all fucked up somewhere. I don't know what happened. They all lost their cue, whatever.
Yeah.
Still hanging, though.
There's another guy, Mr. Fritz. Did you ever hear of him?
Yeah, he used to up the
Yeah,
road.
he's died.
Really?
Oh, I don't know. That's what they said. But I have to believe them.
I haven't seen him.
I'm going to put it down on the list. What's going on here?
Yep.
There's somebody else. Oh,
No, what'd you drop?
Mr. Gordon. Remember Mr. Gordon? They stuck the place up.
No, I don't remember him.
Yeah, Mr. Gordon was in it. He worked upstairs in the office. He was the, what do you call it? The paymaster.
Really?
He had a gun and a coffee
payroll.
pot that night. That's good nuts. Boy, fuck you, Gordon. He's crazy, you know?
That's sick.
And they, yeah, he had a gun and a coffee pot. They stuck it up with a coffee pot.
That's what happens.
You fucking who are you?
We're gonna hit the road. What'd you drop in there?
Yeah, we'll get it for you, Larry.
Went down in there. I don't know where it is.
We'll grab it for you.
There you go.
Well, I better get the hell out of here. These guys better go to work and keep it cool.
That's what we're doing.
Smoke up.
Keep it cool. Don't tell nobody what you know.
That's it.
We won't. Did you see on your camera?